Hi, this is a little video I thought you might find interesting. Removing screws and pins is always rather a tedious and difficult operation. Now, this is an Anglo-Indian box, and if you look at the engraving there, it was made in 1861, or at least the engraving was done at that point. Now, it had lots of little escutcheon pins holding the plaque in place, and they were corroded in. Now, if you heat them up with soldering iron and then just insert a little scraper just like this underneath, you can then just lift them quite easily without doing any damage either to the metal or to the underlying wood and finish. A pair of jeweler's pliers there to help remove the little pins. That surface there has been ground down so that it's very, very shallow, and it can really easily get underneath the shoulder of the escutcheon pin. If you're interested in aspects of traditional restoration and conservation, please visit our website at www.arc-services.com.au for downloadable how-to videos and accompanying ebooks.